Welcome back, guys. I have been wanting to start this series for some time now, and I'm finally taking the time to do so. It's combing over successful YouTubers' processes and actions and finding what makes them tick. In other words, find out what actions make YouTubers successful and do it myself. So guys, before we get started, let me just go into who I am and what I'm all about. So I am James Rodney Jones. Some people know me as Rodney Jones, and I'm a content creator from way back. I'm a musician, a minister to the gospel. So I've got a Kingdom Come Ministries channel. I can do all things. You can do all things through Christ, which strengtheneth you. That word strengtheneth is talking about a continual strengthening. Means he makes you bigger, makes you stronger, makes you more capable today than you was yesterday. I've got the JRJMUSIC channel. For you alone are worthy of all the honor and the glory. I even teach music on JRJMUSIC tutorials. The vlog channel, JRJVLOGS. What I wanted to do is take a break from the vlogs and all the other things that I do. You may be a content creator. You may be someone who has a ministry or a talent and you don't know how to realize it. So I want to first talk about when I first noticed Cathryn on the content bug. I was going through my YouTube as usual, and there's always these suggested videos, and all of a sudden it suggested this video right here.
Hey guys, what is up, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk to you guys about the YouTube algorithm and just a little bit more about YouTube SEO, and especially how you can use it as a beginner YouTuber.
So the first thing I want to point out is, in this particular video, I look at her hair and it's just kind of pulled back real tight. It's nothing fancy. I've seen since this point her hair be curly or straight or in a bun and all kinds of ways. Women can kind of get away with changing their hairstyle and kind of changing their look a lot more than a guy can, I guess. I don't know that I've ever seen a guy change his hairstyle constantly like that and get away with it. I mean, maybe it happens if the guy's a little bit daring or goofy. It's not something I'm used to seeing guys do. But maybe you can leave a comment below and tell me if you've ever seen guys, or you've been a guy that likes to change his hairstyle like all the time, or you go through seasons of this style or seasons of that style. Just let me know. And one thing that's definitely evident is she's a very pretty woman, regardless of what her hairstyle is. And if you look at Hollywood and people who are successful, most of the time, they're very pretty individuals already, even without being made up or doctored up. And so you would think that being someone who is not as attractive would have that extra challenge. But that's not always the case. Look at Sylvester Stallone. I just insulted Sylvester Stallone. I'm sorry, Sly. Look, I apologize if you ever see this video. I love you. I love Rocky. I love all the things you've done. You're a great actor, great writer. Guys, if you've ever listened to the story of how Rocky came about.
So the main thing that I want you guys to focus on is search. I honestly believe that as a small YouTuber, your best place to push your efforts is targeting the right keywords that you actually appear in search. Now, obviously there are a lot of other factors that YouTube takes into consideration, but to just appear in a search, you want to make sure that you are targeting the right keywords and placing those keywords in the right spots.
Pick the content to be something that people are searching for. Now, of course, you've got this long list of things that you are about. There's a lot that I'm about that I want to share to the world. But if nobody knows who I am, nobody cares to even see me, then they're not going to click because they're like, who is this guy? But literally, I see people with millions of views that are doing absolutely nothing. They're just acting goofy and they're getting millions of views, but they've already been discovered as somebody that people like to watch. So until that happens, you kind of have to like put things in there that are searchable, things that are like trending. Maybe not do every video that way. Still create things that you like to do so you don't get burned out. But at the same time, create those things that are being searchable that people are looking for.
What can you do to appear better in YouTube search? First and foremost, guys, do your keyword research. Place your keywords in the right places. Then you need to think about your click-through rate. So make sure that your thumbnail is really good as well as your titles and that people actually want to click on your videos.
So basically, she's talking about the algorithm here is a system that determines whether or not what you've created, your content, is exactly what someone else is wanting to see. So based off of what people have been searching, based off of what they watch, how long they watch certain things. Now, if you look at all of her thumbnails that she uses all on her page, they're all uniform. If you look at all of them, they're all kind of, at least all the ones that are the most current ones have this same look. The text is the same. The color scheme is the same. And some people choose more colorful schemes. Whatever your style is, kind of stick to that style. Roll with it. Stick to it and be proud of it. So guys, we could talk so much more about what Cathryn is doing, but you go follow and subscribe to her for yourself and see what I'm talking about.